In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music from the YouTube audio library into Premiere Pro. So I've got my clip all ready to go, and we're going to add some non-copyrighted music from the audio library. So first you need to find the audio library. To get here, you want to go to youtube.com, then go to your channel icon in the top right hand corner, then go to YouTube Studio. That will then take you to your YouTube dashboard. From here, look to the left hand corner of the screen, scroll down a little bit and you'll see audio library. Here you can obviously download any of these songs and use them in your videos. You can filter through them by clicking on the three lines up here, and you can filter by title, genre, mood, and so on. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to download one at random. You can click download. You can also preview and play the audio track by clicking play. For the video though, I'll just download this one. It's then going to ask you where you want to download it to, or it will probably download to your downloads folder. Once you've got it downloaded though, you can then open up Premiere. So here I am in my video. This is just a simple video of me in a car in Bangkok. Now we can go ahead and add our music. So I'm going to open up the File Explorer. And in my case, my music was downloaded to the downloads folder, so I've headed over to the downloads folder. What we can do now is we can now drag the music file onto the clip, and here you can see here is the music file. Now we can obviously make adjustments to that. We can cut to a very specific part if we want, and we can obviously move this around. And yeah, that's how you add the music. You can then edit the music to fit your clip. So I hope that video helped you out.